Okay, I think this is the way to the tower. Yeah, the observation tower. Oh, and there's the creek. You can see it's pretty dried up. We haven't gotten a lot of rain out here lately. Let's see if there's interesting in the water. What is that? My camera keeps focusing on something. I don't know if it's seeing something. I'm not. There's another little note because of the ant. You guys can pause that and read it. There's the observation tower we're headed to. In the summer, I don't know if you can see from this view, but that whole area out there is nothing but cattails. And it's fun to come out here when it's warm and see all the cattails. Those fields are just full of them. Blackbird Marsh. Let's see if I can find the tower. If it's this way, this way. I guess this would be the wetland ecosystem. There's some information on this area. There's the frog's life cycle. We saw some of the tadpoles a little while ago. Okay, let's see. Again, there's the field of the cattails. You can see some of them have flowered. So when you see a cattail in the wild in the summer, all those little fluff things are like seed pods. And that's how it gets distributed. That fuzzy stuff catches on the wind and distributes the seeds. So in the summer, this is all water. It's pretty dried up right now. But again, in the summer, it's pretty wet. And like I said, all that field is just full of lovely little cattails. Okay. What's that? I think the watchtower is up around this bend. Let's see if anybody's there. Again, the sun is in my eyes, so I can't see what I'm filming, what I'm not, what you're looking at. There's something over there making noises. I don't know what it is. It's just the wind and the grass. So again, I'm having trouble posting videos on here. I guess I'll have to figure it out when I'm at a place I can. But I've asked for you all to recommend nature areas for me. I love hiking and just being out, grounding. So if you guys can recommend places for me, I would love to hear it. So there's the watchtower, and there's nobody here. So we're going to go up there and see what we can see. Maybe nothing. We'll see. Oh, yeah. And you hear the old adage that if you find stairs in the woods, don't go up them. But this is for a reason. Okay. Alrighty, here we are. Watchtower 360. Nothing. Miles and miles and miles. Oh, the sun's in my eyes. Okay. This little reservoir over there. A lot of grassland. Okay. Here we go. We made it. This is my favorite spot in this area. Now, I can probably finish my hike. Okay, alright, talk to y'all later. Thank you.